Hi students, hi everybody. What is friction? Friction is a force which comes into action when there is a relative motion between two bodies in contact and for example block and surface, block and wedge, and sometimes it can also happen within the body, for example churning of water. It can be expressed with the formula F is equal to mu into N. Ha 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 ha. I have also seen Three Idiots many times now. I don't want bookish answers. Please get out. Anyone new? Answer? Natural? Yes, you boy, come up.
Sir, friction is something that makes our life easy. If we observe our surroundings, we will find that without friction, our life will not be easy. Sir, we are always surrounded by friction examples. When I come to school by walking, I am able to walk due to friction between my shoes and ground. Our friends are able to sit on our benches due to friction between their hips and chairs. We are able to chew our food during lunch time in school because of friction between our teeth and idli. While writing, it is friction that helps us to hold our pens and the friction between our pen and paper which allows us to write. Friction is God's wonderful gift to humans. Therefore, I call it God's gift. It can be mathematically expressed as God's gift is equal to surface roughness into pressing force. Sir, before attending this class, I carried out an experiment at home to check out this formula. You must see this.
Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we will learn about the formula. God's gift is equal to surface roughness multiplying it by pressing force. God's gift here means friction, which is equal to coefficient of friction mu multiplying it by the normal force N. Now you can all see the water bottle. It is empty now. We can simply hold it. The friction is enough to hold the bottle. Now, when we add water, the bottle gains weight. Now, that normal force is not sufficient to hold the bottle in hand. As a result, the bottle will start sliding. To stop it, we must apply some extra normal force like this, and the bottle stops sliding. Here, now to decrease the friction, we'll apply some oil in our hand. This will impact the coefficient of friction. Oil decreases the coefficient of friction. Now the bottle starts sliding even faster. Wow, wow, wow. After so many days I have found someone who has given so proficient answer. After listening to this, I think I must take retirement. Very good job, my boy. I am proud of you.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I